told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look.
Welcome back to the channel. We've been messing with the X2 a lot here lately. Kind of got real busy. Really hadn't had a whole lot of time to do a whole lot, but I was going to introduce a new sponsor to my channel and everything. A company based out of California contacted me, Capri Tools. I just want to give them a big shout out and thanks. They wanted to send me some tools to try out and everything, working on all the stuff I work on, and kind of just try them out and see what I think about them. No actual like review type stuff mainly. I mean, I can give my opinions here and there, but definitely I'm gonna give some of their tools a try, and I'll let y'all see some of the stuff they got me. Here's pretty much everything. I kind of picked stuff that I use a lot that I figured I could use. So, I mean, as you can tell, those, you got those. We got this right here, and we'll give it a try. You see right there, 3/8 angle impact. We're gonna give that thing a try. It seemed like it'd be pretty handy. Definitely always using lights and stuff like that. I really like this setup. I've been actually looking about buying something kind of like this, and then I saw they had it, so I bought it. Always using the, getting the torques and all that, and getting everything where I need it. So figured I'd give theirs a try. Always using sockets and stuff, so got some of that. And this sweet little setup to put the sockets on, hold them for me. I really like that. It's a really neat little setup right there. Nice, heavy duty, pretty cool. But the most exciting thing I'm pretty pumped about are the thin wrenches. This is a pretty cool little deal. They are super thin. So you got, on one end, you got the 12, other end 13. So you're able to get a lot of sizes in just a few wrenches. So that's a pretty cool setup. But the thing that I've been doing, just to kind of show real quick why I like these so much, I'm trying to adjust the throttle cable on this. Well, a regular wrench, right here, I'm trying to grab one. You can see the width, that's just a regular gear wrench. Not gonna happen. I mean, obviously I can get this side, but not that. So the cool thing is, this right here, fits right in there. Actually, I think it's a 13. Yeah, look at that. Fits perfectly in there. So that's definitely a huge plus to these wrenches. Definitely just got all this stuff opened up, so I really don't have my full opinion on everything just yet, but so far I'm liking the few things that I've already opened up and kind of been messing with. So you'll start seeing some of their stuff on the channel when I'm working with everything, but and I might every once in a while kind of throw in my opinion of how I feel about the tools and is it worth the price, stuff like that. But definitely pretty excited about them. So we're gonna get all this stuff opened up, put where it needs to go, and get to working on the skis again. So thanks to Capri Tools. It's been a minute, but I've been riding pretty good bit lately, and I found another issue I've got with the Superjet. I thought this would work just fine, but the turf's just the water pressure and everything hitting up underneath is slowly knocking it loose and kind of coming undone. So I looked into buying one of the little blowsion plates, and everybody's sold out. And when you do find them, they're like $20 marked up and all that. I don't feel like spending that much money, so I went and bought a bar here. I bought 1 inch by 36 is what I bought. I've already cut about a 13 inch. I can't remember. I'd have to give you all the measurements again, but about 13 and a half, I bet. And I've already Kind of smoothed it up, marked everything, sunk the little holes in everything. I'm gonna use these little stainless screws and all that. I'm gonna make a back plate as well. That's why I got it this long, so that I can just kind of sandwich it and everything. That's kind of what I got planned right now. So we're mocking everything up. It's getting there. Just got to get it stuck on there. All right, here's the first mock up. This hole's not lined up perfectly straight, so it's not sliding in there like it's supposed to. So I may have to work on that one, but that's the first little mock up of it. Just have to play with it now. Probably gonna hit it with the same color, either this or the red that I've done the engine and my helmet with. So not sure yet, but I think it's gonna work out pretty dang good. All right, so we got this done now. Got it all bolted up. Still kind of undecided on the painting it part. Probably just gonna run it like this for a little bit, but I may end up going with the red and then leaving these stainless. I don't know. But while I'm working on this, I have noticed that my bilge switch has been acting up. Seems like half the time it was working, half the time it wasn't. So I went and bought one of the WSM rotary switches. So this is it right here. Trying to get it installed into my little harness that I got made up. Get that hooked up and everything should be back rocking and rolling. The only thing I'm not really gonna like, I really liked how I had it like a toggle switch. I could kind of reach down with my foot and tap it up or down to turn it on. So now I'm gonna have to actually reach down every time and turn it on and off. So we'll get this wired up, heat shrinked and all that, and should be ready for the water again. Well, I got it wired up. Got one going straight through and then the other one going in and out. And then since this is a 3-position switch, I just put a little heat shrink over that so that wire don't get messed up. All right, got it hooked up. Sounds like angry chipmunk. Yep, that's it. I still have plans. As you can see, I got another bilge pump right there. Putting another one on this side as well. I really need to stick a camera in here and figure out where I'm taking on water. I'm kind of wondering if where the mid shaft bolts up, if I need to silicone that or something, because I know it takes on water through the hood and stuff like that, but it just, to me, it seems like it takes on too much. Even if I'm not submerging it and all that, I feel like it's taking on water. And I've already put the little one-way valve on this, so I'm not really sure. I'm gonna have to look into it a little more, but I'll let y'all know when I figure out what it is.